Hi, this is Win from Inomatic. Today I will share with you a very cool way to look up values within a table. Here I have a salary table from grade 1 to 10. Within each grade we have from step 1 to 10. So if an employee is grade 4, step 3, the salary should be 35,939. If the employee is grade 6, step 9 should be 53,224. So how do we look these value up? Using formula, let me show you how. We start with this employee list where we have the grade and step, and our job is to look through the salary table and extract the salary. With grade 6, step 2, we must have a mean to go from grade 1 to 6. From 1 to 6, we step through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's really whatever the grade minus 1. We step forward by that. But if we increment by a single row, we're not gonna get anywhere. Looking at this table, I know each block of data has 4 rows. And so to go forward, we take whatever the grade minus 1 multiplied by 4, we should be able to get here. So let's just assume this is grade 6, step 2. For us to do formula, we do offset with reference the grade 1. Grade 1, I name this cell XL underscore salary instead of A3 because it's more useful to reference by name versus some letter and number. So we have our starting point. For rows, we take whatever the grade we're looking for, we have to minus 1, and then we multiply it by 4. That's for the rows. As for the column, at the moment, I just want to get this number here. So we're not going left, we're not going right, we're not offset by any value. Therefore, we put in a 0. If we enter this, it becomes 6. If we change this to 5, it would be 5. Now, let's go back to 6, and the step was 2. When we have step of 2, all we have to do is offset to the right by that values. So for the columns, we offset by whatever that is. We have the salary of 43,422 for grade 6, step 2. There it is. Now we're gonna copy this formula and paste it here. For reference, I meant to put it as text. So let's duplicate that. Using the data in this table, we do equal offset. Starting point is XL salary. We want to offset by the number of grade minus 1 in parentheses because we want that the minus before we multiply by 4. And we offset by the number of steps. Sorry, I meant to close it. Excel smart enough to close it for me. As you see here, there is no such thing as 06. It has to be a text value, otherwise it just be a 6 because the 0 would be automatically dropped. So to be proper, right, we're gonna put the B2, we get the value of B2 and get the value of C2. Right? That way, even if there's a 30 in the front, right, it still works just fine. If we drag this down for the next employee, where it's grade 9 and step 4, grade 9 and step 4, 62,828, 62,828, and we will have paste the formula across all the way down, and we get what we're looking for. To practice what we learned, we would like to get the new grade and step of the employee in the event they get promoted. So if they are in step 1, grade 1, if promoted, they will be step 1, grade 2. If the employee is grade 3, step 9, they will be promoted to grade 4, step 7. There is no calculation for you to do. This is just a lookup table, the data already on here. So how would you extract the new grade and step for the employee should they get promoted? Also, can you get the percentage increase for them? Please, again, all these are already pre-calculated for you. It's just a lookup value for this exercise. So let's get to it. In here, I have the promoted grade, promoted step. We're going to use a similar formula here, but the starting point will be different because we are looking for the new grade and step. And so we should start from here. I named this instead of A6, I name it XL underscore grade step promoted. It's a mouthful, but it needs to make sense for me to explain to you. So here we're going to start with that. Okay, I'm going to copy that. So in the promoted grade, we use the same thing, offset. We reference the starting point. For rows, we take the grade, we minus 1, we multiply by 4 because it is still the same structure of 4 rows per block. 4. And then for row, we go ahead and go to the right by 2 steps here, close it, press enter. Now we get what? 7, 1. So we'll get both the grade and step. This way, we have to do left of that and just get 2 character. Now we have a 7. We copy the formula, we paste it here, but instead of left, we do right. We take 2 from the right. So it was 07/01. We will get the 01 from the right 2 character out. There you go. How would you do the percentage increase? Percentage increase, I name it promotion percentage. Okay, you can name it whatever you want, but in this case, it is Excel underscore promotion percentage. Offset starting point. Same thing here. We take the grade -1 multiplied by 4 and we offset by the step. Close it. There you have it, the percentage increase. Last field, promoted salary, new salary, salary promoted. Again, you can name it however you want. That's how I name mine. Offset starting point, open parenthesis, the grade -1, close it, multiply by 4, offset by the step. Close it. There you have it. Let's be sure we get it right. 7/1 is 46,696. 469, or you can get the same thing here. It's really that's the number that we're extracting, because this number here is the same as that. Okay, well, I hope you like what you see. Give me a thumb up. If you would like to have this source file, the link to get it in the description, which is the cost of less than half a cup of coffee. You will have this file. It save you some time and it support me on what I do. Looking forward to the next video with you. Bye bye now.